Master words for TOEIC, CELPIP, and IELTS in 2 minutes a day.
Laundry. Noun. Launder, laundering, launderer, laundress. Clothes and other items that need to be washed or have been washed. The place or business where clothes are washed and dried. I need to put my dirty laundry in the hamper. She works at a commercial laundry that cleans hotel sheets. The hotel offers a same-day laundry service for guests. You should launder this delicate shirt in cold water. He is laundering his work uniforms at the coin-operated machines. The company was accused of money laundering through fake accounts. The dry cleaner is a reliable launderer of fine wool suits. She worked as a laundress for a wealthy family in the 1920s. The laundry smells fresh after being in the sun. Please fold the laundry and put it away in the drawers. Learning to launder clothes properly is an important life skill. The investigation revealed an international money laundering scheme. Likely question samples. In reading sections, you may encounter a sentence like, "The hotel provides dry cleaning and laundry services." Questions might ask for the best synonym for laundry in context, such as A. Washing, B. Ironing, C. Folding, D. Dry cleaning. Listening sections might describe a person's weekly chores, including doing the laundry. Common confusables: laundry, dirty clothes, or the place, versus launder, the verb meaning to wash or to illegally move money. The context clearly distinguishes them. Also note launderer, a person or business that washes clothes, versus laundress, a historical term for a woman employed to wash clothes, less common in modern texts. Idioms. Air one's dirty laundry. This idiom means to discuss private matters in public. For example, the celebrity's interview aired the family's dirty laundry for everyone to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you tomorrow.